Digital technology is all around us, and no matter what you do or where you go, it's everywhere. And so we've designed a course to teach people the basic core fundamental principles that are required to make it in a modern world. In this course, we teach basic computing, business and digital skills all together in the form of 4 projects. One of the projects is collaboration and presenting ideas, so working with other people and producing marketing materials and information that you could present to other people collaboratively within a group. One of the projects is on cybersecurity, so you'll learn all the elements of protecting yourself in terms of running a small business. Another one is marketing and data analytics. One of the other projects is creating digital media and websites, things like producing images and logos and marketing materials, all those kind of cool things. We'll teach basic file management, presentation skills. You'll be learning things like PowerPoint and spreadsheets, even things like Microsoft Word are really useful as an employability skill. All of these things will be taught as part of the course. The course is there for anybody that really wants to upskill, wants to learn something new, wants to start up a small business and doesn't know where to start. Or maybe you actually want to get into a career in computing or business and you just haven't decided really what route do I want to go down at this point. At the end of it, you'll have some good idea of whether you prefer the business side of things or whether you prefer computing and digital media side of things. And that means you can then filter out into the other courses we've got available, such as the NC in business, NC in computing with digital media. You could start the course with no prior knowledge or experience, even if you've been out of the education system for years, right from the ground up. It's a beginner course. Technology is everywhere, and so you need to be able to produce documents or understand data, understand information, process information. The purpose of this course is to build that confidence for you, and that you've got the confidence to be able to say, well, I can do that. I can create the things I need to create for myself. Those are really useful skills to have. That's what any employer would be looking for. So if you want to improve your employability skills, or you just want to improve your own competence with computing or aspects of business, then find out more on the website.